through the ceramic, which is more slippery, right?
Oh yeah, they're going to go right into the pot, aren't they?
Yeah.
It just doesn't look real. It's like it's sliding on ball bearings.
It's so quick as well.
Yeah, the teamwork on that, it's amazing.
Oh, look at that.
They are going up.
Wow. Man.
Gotta give them credit.
Yeah.
All the bambinos will have a good feast tonight.
That's impressive.
Yeah, when we were in Aruba, I got this like sun allergy where it was like spots of red and they were like burnt after like aloe for 4 days. It was crazy.
Like this is my ideal.
Really?
Like 100% humidity and 80 plus degrees.
Is it really hot?
No, it's not. California's fucking freezing. Yeah, Southern
Well,
California
depends
is
what
all
season,
live.
right? In the summer?
We got a 100-degree day at the beach last year. It was amazing. I like it.
But usually not.
It's usually like in the 70s.
They did it.
I'd be happier.
They did it.
Whoa!
You got it.
They got it. I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
Do it again.
Wow.
There it goes.
Nearly. Oh, they're struggling.
Come on!
They're struggling. Need
Don't
more.
go
Just
all the
give
way
them a little bit of
down.
help.
No.
No. Let them do.
That's not.
The legs are gonna get caught.
Oh. They'll turn it.
Oh, they turned it.
They got it.
They got it. They. You gotta give them credit.
Oh, they're bringing something else too.
Well, they got like a wasp as well.
Yeah.
Wow.
They must be having a big fiesta tonight, isn't it?
Maybe that's their version of my home.
Yeah.
And there it goes. Good on them. Feast tonight.